iiNet Internet Provider Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'm reviewing iiNet, a popular internet provider in Australia. You can find links to their plans and offers in the description below for easy access. iiNet offers a variety of internet plans, including NBN, ADSL, and mobile broadband, making them a versatile choice for a wide range of customers. Their NBN plans cater to different needs, from basic browsing at 12 Mbps to high-speed 1000 Mbps for heavy users who stream in 4K, game online, or need fast speeds for work. iiNet is known for delivering consistent performance with minimal downtime, making it a solid choice for households or small businesses that rely on uninterrupted internet. One of the standout features of iiNet is their excellent customer service. They offer 24/7 support through phone and online chat, and their team is generally knowledgeable and responsive. While some competitors may offer slightly better speeds, iiNet's customer service and overall user experience make them a strong contender in the market. Their website is also user-friendly, making it easy to choose a plan and manage your account. iiNet is also known for their no lock-in contract options on many of their plans, offering flexibility for customers who prefer not to commit long-term. They offer bundled packages that combine home phone services with internet, which is great for customers who need both. However, their pricing may not always be the most budget-friendly, especially when compared to some competitors, but their reliable service and customer support can justify the cost. For those looking for a dependable, user-friendly internet provider with great customer service, iiNet is a solid choice. They cater to a wide range of users, from light browsers to heavy internet users, and their flexible plans make them suitable for both households and businesses. Be sure to check the product links in the description for more details on iiNet's offerings and to see if their plans fit your needs.